Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent sparks. Once done, remove the trim and access the head unit cavity so you can see the factory harness. Use a multimeter to identify constant plus 12V, switched ACC, and ground. Mark them. Make sure to have an inline fuse ready size to the amplifier or head unit. If you skip testing, you risk blowing fuses or damaging electronics, so verify voltages before any connection. Next, you handle signal and speaker connections carefully. If the head unit has RCA outputs, run shielded RCA cables to the amplifier. If not, install a high-level to RCA adapter from speaker leads so the amp gets a proper preamp signal. Once done, run a dedicated ground from the amp to bare chassis and a remote turn-on lead to the head unit's ACC. Make sure power and speaker wires are separated to avoid hiss. Secure cables and recheck polarity before powering up. Finally, you finish by inserting the inline fuse and reconnecting the negative battery terminal, power the head unit, and then the amp using the remote lead. Start with low volume and play a familiar track to confirm each channel and speaker polarity. Listen for hum, distortion, or lack of bass. If you encounter noise or no output, first check the amp ground, reroute RCAs away from power, and verify speaker polarity. Make sure fuses are intact. Resolving those 3 fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.